Hello everyone, welcome back to quanghuymkttools, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you the way to add proxies to Twitter's accounts automatically. So now let's get to the point. Okay, so we are in the account management function. First of all, we load all the accounts that you want to add proxy here. And I have just copied all of my proxy HTTP protocol. And now I just have to paste to all of this account. For example, I will choose the first 10 and right click, and then you see the paste and paste proxy interns, okay? Or you can paste proxy as specific, like format, username, proxy. So I will choose the paste proxy intern because I just copy all of them. And this is all the proxy that I have just added. So what about the other one? You also do that if you want to use all of these proxy to all the 18 accounts. But basically you should choose. But basically with one proxy, you'll use from 1 to 3 accounts. That is better and effective. Okay, so as to hide the proxy effectively. If you go for 4 accounts or over, it will be suspended. The accounts will be suspended and easy risky. Okay. So, and if you, or you can, or for example, if you have just 5 proxy, but you want to use for all the accounts, so step by step you added the proxy. You added the proxy for the first 10 accounts, and you can log in, or you can do the content management or interaction of posts or posting and even follow or update information, okay, based on the proxy. So after finish all the actions, you guys can delete the proxy here. Okay, it's complete and the proxy disappear. And the next 10 accounts will be the same. Okay, you paste also the paste proxy here. Okay, and you guys can also continue working with that, and you guys can use every function with those proxies accounts. Okay,